Good morning, all of you. Today, I will show you how the students can attend the CCT test 7. You have already attended CCT 6. So, this test is for all students of class 7 to class 12. All students have to attend this test mandatorily on 3rd of November. Your timing is from 9 a.m. to 12. So there are total 30 questions of 30 marks. I will show you students how you can enter the test. You all have got a student ID and that student ID should be used as username and password. And all students should have a email ID and your parents' phone number with you. Okay, let us start how you can enter the test. First of all, you have to type the site pisa.seshogun.gov.in/CCT. So once you open the site, you will get this page. Login using username and password. Here you have to type. I will show you an example of one student's student ID, which I am going to use as username, and same I am going to use as password for 010205303499. So the site is opened. Now you can see again, you here also you have to type the same password 1401005303499. Here also same 1401005303499. Mail ID, you have to give your mail ID, type your mail ID and type your phone number. Okay, after that you can click on submission. Okay, then again you have to you login. Okay, after that process you have to log in again using the same username and password 1401005303499. So after completing this process, the web portal will be opened. Okay, so each student has to undergo this process. After that, this portal will be opened. In this portal, students, you can see that here you will get in the third one you will get the question paper. Okay, here you can see for English medium student CCT 6, click here, CCT 7, click here. Or as the students have already completed CCT 6, this time we are going to start CCT 7, but next time children, if you wish to open or download or practice CCT 6, you can do it at any time, no problem. But today we are going to have CCT 7 on 3rd November. So I click open this question paper. Question paper is opened. So there are 30 questions. Once the question paper is opened, you can take your notebook or your register or any book or a paper, etc. The available books with you. There you can work out all the questions, answers. Okay, there are 30 questions mixed up English, science and mathematics. So you can do all the 30 questions work out in your notebook or in a paper. After that process, you have to go back. Here then you have to go back and here you have to open the CCT test. So by the time you might have completed all the 30 questions worked out and kept in the answer sheet ready with the answer. Okay, now this time is to enter your correct responses or your correct answers. So now we are going to enter the correct answers in the CCT test option. So here you can see the name of the student name is there, then class 9 academic year, we have to select academic year 2020-21. Then CCT, we have to select CCT 7. CCT 7. We have selected all the 4. After that, you can see here how you have to give the answers here. Total 30 questions are there. Here you can give the answer. Options are there. Enter A, B, C, D for answers, or N for no option. So here you can give the correct option. Okay. Which is the correct option that you can put here for all the 30 questions. So once you complete this task, children, after completing this task, there are 2 options at the bottom. You can submit and lock. So first you have to submit. Okay, you have to submit the answers, but before locking you can again chance to change your answers or edit the answers. But once you lock, you don't have option. So once you lock, you will get the total score at the top. But once you lock, you don't have the option to appear or change it again. And after doing this, you have to give your answer, you have to give your marks to your class teacher. Okay, immediately after completing, you take the screenshot of your score and send to your class teacher. So this is what you have to do. Thank you.